In the wrong time they will form.
Now we are going in cave. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing well. So if you are new here to my channel, you're welcome. Thank you guys. Now we have reached on 800 subscribers. Now the goal is to hit 900 subscribers. So if you are not yet subscribed, please do subscribe, and I really appreciate the people who subscribe it. So today's video, I'm going to visit one of free tourist attraction places, which is located in Western Province in Karongi district, just on the main road from Kigali to Karongi, or from Karongi to Kigali. That is where it is located. So guys, now we are on the way come back from Lake Kivu at Kibuye to Kigali, so we have to stop there because it's on the way. So when you reach here, you find those local young kids. Those are the one who explain for the people who are visiting here. The things which is interesting is that those local kids, they explain in the three main languages: Rwanda, which is the local one, and the French and the English. Yeah, so let's get into the story.
Come take a video of him. I mean,
ubundi kera hari umugabo bitaga Ndaba wagendaga ashakisha ubuki, nuko aza kubona inzuki zitururamo hari hagati mu rutare. Arebye abona atari buhagere n'amaguru, atumira abagabo batatu ari bo Sharyo na Bisuka na Ruganzu ngo baze bamuzirika amakamba agiye guhakura ubwo buki. Baramubaza bati, mbese Ndaba ko nta kintu ujyanye uratuzanira mu buki? Ndaba arabasubiza ati, ningerayo ndaterura igikono cyabwo nzane dusangire. Nuko Ndaba yaragiye, ageze kuri bwa buki abuhakura abwiriye icyo umuntu yamwemereye. Ngubu no mu Cyongereza ndagerageza. About rock Ndaba, in the wrong time they will means. He number first Ndaba, second guns, carrions and bees. Ndaba go to look the bees for honey. Ndaba eats the honey. He Mr. Ndaba cut the rope. Ndaba break down here. His name is Rock Ndaba. Ndaba was freed because it's the honey. It finish his story. Wala navuga no muri French. Je parle histoire de Ndaba. Il y avait autrefois un homme qui s'appelle Ndaba. Ndaba en voiture. Ndaba va apiculture d'abeilles de roche. Ndaba va apiculture manger. Chariot et Bisuka et Ruganzu ne pas manger. Chariot et Bisuka et Ruganzu couper la corde. Ndaba tomber à jusqu'à la mort. C'est ce qu'on appelle la roche de Ndaba. Ndaba il était gourmand. Yari igisambo.
wow. Ay. Ay. Komeza ucanga. Ndaba eto.
Yes!
Yalla. No way. Man. Sana gisimbukiraho.
Oya, fata hari.
Umva nawe uri kujya imbere ukanyereka hazima ntabwo uri guca ahantu habi. Uhuye nagufata Please take me my feet. Yes, look my foot. A way to go. Haraza umufuka. Now we are going in cave.
Hey.
Thank you.
So guys, the experience was good. The local young kids, they are really friendly. They show that they are going to become the future tour guide. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys you have enjoyed this video, and yeah, so if you liked this video, please give a thumbs up and leave a comment. Let me know how the video was, and yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.